Welcome back. In video 3 of PharmaMax's series, we will share our special prescription for the number 4 and number 5 biggest headaches faced by leaders in the pharma industry. In the previous video, we discussed pain points number 2 and number 3 traceability traps and QMS quicksand. In this video, we will be discussing the remaining 2 stagnant software sickness and brutal equipment breakdowns. Does your software vendor keep up with the rapidly changing industry standards? Are your expensive software investments going down the drain when they don't? The pharmaceutical industry is one of the most highly regulated industries in the world, and for good reason. Every day, patients around the world depend on the medications produced to keep them healthy and safe. But with so many regulations to keep up with and so much equipment to maintain, it can be a constant struggle to stay ahead. In the rapidly changing landscape of pharma regulations, there is a clear need for up-to-date software solutions that keep you compliance-ready always. This is where PharmaMax comes in. Our unmatched expertise in dealing with the global life science market means that our solutions are always designed with the latest industry standards in mind. Our software is intuitive, customizable, and constantly updated to ensure compliance with the latest regulations. The PharmaMax Advantage. Customized solutions for the challenges of small, mid, and large-scale manufacturers with additional compliance measures. User-friendly, easily customizable to the needs, yet tough in adherence and security. Affordable and flexible cost models for manufacturers of any size, enabling them to be compliance-ready every day with Make in India solutions. But don't take our word for it, listen to this customer testimonial. Do frequent equipment breakdowns drive you crazy? Is it frustrating to deal with the high maintenance costs and delayed timelines? Unplanned equipment breakdowns are one of the main causes of compliance audit failures. They drain your profits and severely slow down growth and production. Don't worry. Reflections CPM will come to the rescue. Our Reflections CPM module helps to maintain the accuracy, standardization, and repeatability in measurements, assuring reliable benchmarks and results. Avoid and minimize equipment breakdowns. On-time maintenance works through software plan schedules. Easier access to maintenance history. Reduced maintenance costs due to software-directed timely preventive maintenance. Up-to-date electronic records. On-time calibrations based on critical and non-critical equipment schedules. Calibration certification generation, which benefits during audits. Calibration guarantees that the quality is not affected by constant errors. Thank you so much for watching our series on how we tackle your biggest pharma headaches. We are confident about our ability to provide the best tailor-made, cost-effective solutions for your pharma practice. If you still aren't convinced, please contact us for a more detailed pitch. Meanwhile, PharmaMax wishes you a relaxed, headache-free day.